In this video, we're going to have a look at some properties of simple covalent compounds. I'm using hydrogen to give you an example of how this works. So here's my two hydrogen atoms. Both these are unstable. They've only got one electron in their first energy level. So in order to become stable, they're going to have to share these electrons. So you can see this one has got a share of 2, which makes it stable. And if I do the same this side, this has got a share of 2, so it makes it stable. This covalent bond now exists, and therefore the two atoms have become a molecule with this covalent bond between them. It's worth reminding you that a covalent bond, the definition is a shared pair of electrons. So once we've got this molecule formed, then what we need to think about now is this kind of diagram. Okay, here's my hydrogen molecule with that shared pair of electrons being represented as a stick in between them. So there's my covalent bond. And when we have two of these molecules together, in between these molecules are weak forces of attraction between the molecules. The bonds are strong, but the force between the molecules is weak. So this is going to tell us or help us to understand the properties that simple covalent compounds have. So here's the first one. The first one is that they have low melting and boiling points. And the reason why they have low melting and boiling points is because this weak force that exists between the molecules, because it's weak, it doesn't need a lot of energy to break, therefore it's easy to break, therefore the melting and boiling point is low. The second property for simple covalent compounds is that they are poor conductors of electricity. And the reason they are poor conductors of electricity is because the electrons are used to make the bonds. Remember, if we come back up to here, here's the electrons being used to form the bonds. And because electrons are being used to form the bonds, the electrons are not free to move about and carry charge. Therefore, they are poor conductors of electricity.